In the virtual clinic DIMEDUS, you have the opportunity to assess a patient using the ABCDE approach. For the emergency evaluation of a patient's condition, virtual interactive devices and tools can be utilized. You can perform a comprehensive physical examination, including auscultation, percussion, palpation, and inspection. Additionally, you can order further diagnostic tests, and after establishing a diagnosis, initiate appropriate pharmacologic treatment. The vital signs monitor allows you to observe the immediate response to the treatment. Upon completing the case, a detailed report is generated.